Welcome back MH Car Review the channel. Today we're taking a look at something that feels less like a vehicle and more like a glimpse into the future of luxury living on wheels. What you're seeing right now is a futuristic mobile home concept that completely redefines how we imagine travel, comfort, and freedom on the open road. This is not just transportation, this is a moving luxury residence designed for the next generation of American road life. From the front, the design instantly grabs attention. The bold, angular shape, massive panoramic windshield, and sleek LED lighting give this vehicle a strong sci-fi presence. It looks powerful, confident, and incredibly advanced. The front fascia feels more like a high-tech spacecraft than a traditional RV, signaling that this concept is built for innovation, performance, and futuristic aesthetics. Every line serves a purpose, blending aerodynamics with aggressive styling. As we move along the sides, the low-profile body and wide stance give it a commanding road presence. The illuminated accents running across the exterior add a premium signature look, especially at night. This vehicle isn't meant to blend in. It's designed to stand out on American highways, desert roads, and scenic landscapes. The multiple axle setup and futuristic wheels suggest stability, strength, and advanced suspension technology, perfect for long-distance luxury travel. Speaking of wheels, take a closer look at them. These aren't ordinary tires. The massive futuristic wheels with glowing ring accents hint at next-level engineering. They look designed for smooth cruising, silent performance, and high durability. Whether this concept runs on electric power, hybrid systems, or future clean energy technology, one thing is clear: it's built for efficiency and comfort without sacrificing style. Now let's step inside, because this is where the real magic begins. The interior feels more like a modern luxury apartment than a vehicle. Open layouts, clean lines, and premium materials create an atmosphere of calm and sophistication. Soft ambient LED lighting flows throughout the space, creating a warm, inviting environment no matter where you're parked. This is luxury living designed to move with you. The living area offers spacious seating, panoramic views through large windows, and a layout that feels open and breathable. Natural light pours in during the day, while at night the interior transforms into a cozy, futuristic retreat. This space is perfect for relaxing after a long drive, entertaining guests, or simply enjoying the view of America's most beautiful landscapes. The kitchen area continues the premium theme. Sleek countertops, integrated smart appliances, and minimalist design make it both functional and stylish. Everything feels thoughtfully placed, offering maximum convenience without clutter. This kitchen isn't just for quick meals, it's designed for real living, whether you're cooking on the road or parked at a scenic destination. Moving toward the driver's cabin, the dashboard looks straight out of a science fiction movie. Fully digital displays, touch controls, and an ultra-wide windshield give the driver complete command and visibility. This cockpit is designed to reduce stress and enhance control, making long drives feel effortless. It represents the future of driving, where technology works seamlessly with the driver. The bedroom area offers a private sanctuary. A modern bed design, soft lighting, and large windows create a peaceful environment ideal for rest and relaxation. Imagine waking up to mountain views, desert sunrises, or ocean horizons, all from the comfort of your mobile luxury suite. This space proves that life on the road doesn't mean sacrificing comfort. One of the most impressive features is the seamless indoor-outdoor connection. Large windows and open sections blur the line between nature and living space. Whether you're parked in the desert, forest, or near the coast, this mobile home allows you to stay connected to the world outside while enjoying complete comfort inside. This futuristic mobile home concept represents freedom, innovation, and the evolving American lifestyle. It's built for digital nomads, luxury travelers, and anyone who dreams of exploring the country without giving up modern comfort. It's not just about reaching a destination, it's about enjoying every moment of the journey. If this is what the future of travel looks like, then the road ahead is incredibly exciting. Let us know what you think about this futuristic luxury mobile home. Would you live on the road in something like this? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more incredible future vehicle concepts.